GameStop, AMC, Nokia, BlackBerry, and others are back on Robinhood. Citadel drama around Robinhood, and all other stories today in this videos. January 28th will definitely be in the history. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ilya, and before we start, subscribe to my channel, click the like button, and comment down below your thoughts about this situation. So you probably all know what happened, right? Overnight, Wednesday, the 27th, Robinhood and other platforms just decided to cancel all the stocks and steal people's money. But before I'll tell you the story, I just want to let you know I'm not saying this is true. I'm not saying the information I'm providing in this video is a real advice or a truthful or false info. It's just an opinion of a regular guy, and here we are, guys. So on a Wednesday night, this week was crazy for trading stocks like GameStop, AMC, Nokia, and others. Wednesday night, Robinhood and other apps like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Webull, they just decided, well, volatility is way too high, so we're gonna close the opportunity to buy these stocks, but people can sell the stocks. What? Really? You can't buy your stock, but you can sell the stock? This is kind of crazy. Isn't it a market manipulation? Well, we don't know, and government and other people will about to find out. It's the first time when it happens, and this is something that we've never seen before. Right now, at this moment, January 28th, Robinhood haven't announced any news, and this is weird. As far as we know, somebody in Chicago and New York City already filed the lawsuit against Robinhood and other apps. January 28th, Thursday, Robinhood has been ghosting all day long. David Portnoy and other celebrities were talking about the situation. They all were screaming that people who are responsible for all this market manipulation from the brokerage firms have to go to jail, and Robinhood hasn't announced anything. Like legit, nothing. Ghosted, no info whatsoever. After trading hours, they've just decided to announce that tomorrow, January 29th, on Friday, they will put GameStop, Nokia, AMC, and other stocks back to their apps, so now you guys can buy it again. Well, this is all weird, so let's talk about this. What are the consequences of this situation? Technically, nothing really happened if we're talking about short squeeze, because everybody were blocked from buying opportunity. So even if you're trying to sell the stocks, pretty much people just can't buy it. So if there is no demand, and nobody will buy it. So even if you try to sell it, nobody will buy it. So technically we're safe. The problem here is that people are scared right now. So tomorrow when market will open, a lot of people just will try to sell their stocks, will try to sell their options so they can make money, or they can at least close their position with lose rather than lose all their money. And this is crazy. This is how they work. And another thing that huge Wall Street firms they were able to cover their short positions. And this is the whole point of a short squeeze. So when the stock is going down and brokerage would rather buy that stock on a lower price than higher price, because people just can't buy it, so the stock price can go up. That's just a common sense. If people can sell, people can buy, stock won't go up. But guess what? Wall Street firms were able to buy the stocks. So they just covered their short calls, which is very weird. The situation is so weird, so it's just crazy. The whole problem with Robinhood and other apps like TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, even Webull, they just closed the option to buy these stocks. But Robinhood, they were number one reason why in 2020 a lot of people from 16 and older started investing. It was easy, it was free commission, and when the main brokerage is closing the opportunity to buy and sell stocks, something shady is going on. As we all know, Robinhood using Citadel as a firm who processing buys and sells. And today we found out that Citadel also have a huge short position in GameStop. Yep, that's right. I don't know if it's true. I don't know if it's rumors. Nobody have commented yet this news. And one of the Robinhood's co-founders said that blocking GameStop, AMC, and other stocks, it was a hard decision and that they made it on their own. Well, a lot of celebrities do not believe in this. Well, come on, guys. That's just a common sense. I'm not trying to say anything. I don't know if this information is true or false, but when one app closing the opportunity to buy and sell, I understand that. But when pretty much 90% of apps will close the opportunity to buy, this is something crazy. It's definitely somebody behind this app, maybe banks, maybe, I don't even know, maybe Wall Street, maybe hedge funds, who knows, but it is what it is. Now, in regards to short squeeze is still happening. Tomorrow, Robinhood will allow you to buy your stocks back. Webull texted that they're not restricting buying and selling of GameStop, AMC, and Nokia. So technically, if people still hold the position, and today, technically you can't just sell them because nobody's buying them. So tomorrow, the price will go up. But like I said before, people are afraid to buy because you never know, you don't know what to expect from the apps, you don't know what to expect from a brokerage and other firms, you don't know what to expect from Wall Street. So we'll see on the sentiment of traders, of regular investors. If you were wondering what to invest in, GameStop, AMC, or Nokia, well, GameStop, AMC, there are two stocks that are pumping by Wall Street bets and other communities, and Nokia is another one. The problem with Nokia is it's a high cap company. Nokia right now, I think, worth like $30 billion, and as we all understand, it's much easier to push the company up if the capitalization of the company is smaller. Like AMC capitalization is like $8 billion and GameStop capitalization were like $5 million, and Nokia is 30 in comparison with these two companies. But who knows, the hype is real, the crowd is still following. I want to make another video about Nokia stock because Nokia as a company worth of another video about it. It's not a bad company, they're doing pretty good, they have a really good invention, and they're a really big player in 5G systems. So we'll talk about Nokia in the next video, and today it was crazy. We'll definitely remember that. And on the one thing that we can do is just hold our positions, and we'll see. Tomorrow is another day, and hopefully we can continue to trade normally. I hope market is actually free, and today was an example of a really bad manipulation that will never happen. The market definitely won't be the same. Definitely new rules and laws are coming out, and hopefully it will be better, and hopefully all these brokerage firms will be prosecuted or at least investigated, because what happened today, it's shady, sketchy, and it shouldn't be like this. Like I said, my name is Leah. Follow me on YouTube, hit the like button, and comment down below your opinion in this situation, and I wish you luck, guys.